Hello, students. This is Nora Lubecki from Lancaster, Lebanon, IU13. And I have a little lesson for you on can and have to. And the goal is to plan an activity with someone. Example, can you go swimming with me today? Yes, I can. No, I can't. All right. The first thing we want to know is that can has two meanings. Right here, remember, can plus the base form also expresses ability. So here is an ability. We can speak English. That's an ability. You learned how to do this. Some people cannot speak English. They can't play the piano. That's an ability because they didn't learn how. I can play the piano. Can you play the piano? Do you have the ability to play the piano? All right. But today, we're not talking about ability. We're going to talk about possibility. So for possibility, we will use, let's make this bigger here. We will use can plus the base form of a verb for possibility. Example, I can go out for dinner tonight. Why can I go out for dinner tonight? Because I don't have class in the morning. So I can stay up late tonight because tomorrow is Friday and I don't have class in the morning on Friday. So I can go out. I can is a positive possibility. What about this sentence? I can't play golf today. Can you say that? I can't play golf today. Why? I'm too busy. Do I have the ability to play golf? Yes, I'm a very good golf player. I love to play golf. I'm a champion. But I can't play golf today. I'm too busy. So this is not my ability. This is the possibility of me playing golf today. Because today I am too busy. This sentence here. She can meet us at the park, but her husband can't. So the possibility for the woman, she is good. She can meet us at the park, but oh no, her husband can't. Negative possibility. And notice the difference between can, she can meet, and her husband can't. So and longer can't. But here, can, short and softer. She can meet us. She can meet us. So this is stronger, this is softer. But can't is strong and long. How about a question? Can you go running tomorrow at 3? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Yes, I can. No, I can't. So notice, can you go running? The can you go, the possibility, and you have a short answer with can because I asked the question, with the can. So I answer, yes, I can. Do I say, can you go running tomorrow at 3? Yes, I do. No, don't say yes, I do, because I asked with the word can. So say, yes, I can. No, I can't. All right. So why don't you try it? Can you give me a possibility? Can you come to class today at midnight? Oh, no, teacher. I can't go to class at night. Well, why? Well, teacher, I have to work. Have to work? That sounds like obligation. Have to or has to, plus the base form of a verb for obligation. So let's look at this sentence here. She has to meet her cousin at the airport. Why? She has to. Because if she told her cousin, I will come and pick you up and take you home. If she doesn't come, the cousin will be waiting and waiting and waiting at the airport, and she will be very mad and very sad that you said you were coming and you didn't do it. You said you were coming. You had an obligation. That was your obligation to come. You agreed to pick up your cousin at the airport. So she has to meet her cousin at the airport. Now, what if this woman's uncle goes and picks up her cousin and says, it's okay, I have your cousin, I'm bringing her to your house. Oh, now she doesn't have the obligation. Now it's a negative obligation. She doesn't have to meet her cousin at the airport. Why? Because her uncle picked up the cousin for her. The cousin. All right. And notice after she, we put an S on the verb have. Have becomes has. But look at over here. She doesn't have to. I put the S on the do. Do because becomes does. So she does not, she doesn't. Contraction. Does not, doesn't have to meet her cousin at the airport. Okay, so negative obligation. All right, so watch when you have he, she, or it to put an S on the verb right after it or an S on the do. Now, what about they? It could be they, we, I, you. Let's try they. They have to work late tonight. Why? Mandatory. The boss said everybody has to work 16 hours today because of the coronavirus. Oh no, I'm so tired. I have to work late tonight. Teacher, I can't come to school in the morning. Why? Because I have to work late tonight. So this is an obligation. Or the boss says, everybody, you work so hard, you don't have to work late tonight. Only 8 hours today, you can go home at 6 o'clock. Yay! So you can say they, we, I, you don't have to work late tonight. Yay! All right. So negative obligation. But even though it's a negative obligation, that's good news. I can go home and eat dinner with my family. All right, what about a question? Do you have to work tomorrow? Yes, I do. Notice I didn't say yes, I can. I asked you the question with do. So, do you have to work tomorrow? Yes, I do. No, I don't. So I'm using the same word that I used to ask the question. And he is right here. Notice he, I'm going to put the S on the do, and it becomes does. But I can't just put an S. I have to put ES because there's a vowel here. So does. Does he have to go to class? Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. So notice I'm answering with the same question word. Does he have to? Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. All right. Now I'm going to give you some questions on Kahoot and I will send that to you. So make sure you do the Kahoot challenge. And I would like you to watch the video of the class with two students, Luz and Suad, practicing can and have to. That's all for now. Everybody, see you later.